Hello everyone, let me introduce myself briefly. My name is Ivailu Bogdanov. I have over 15 years experience in the production of POS, POSM materials and customer services. I worked for one of the biggest offset and digital printing house in Bulgaria. I joined the team of Adare since January this year. For me it's a great challenge and responsibility. I hope this work to develop a new level of my skills and abilities. On the other hand, the work for Adara is a privilege and responsibility. In my opinion, both markets, Bulgaria and Romania, are rather undervalued and have a great potential for development. Especially Bulgarian market has a significant growth opportunity. I sincerely hope that with the advent of Sanofi to achieve some good financial results in further years. I find this work very attractive and challenging for me, and I'm very pleased with the opportunity given to me. Thank you. It's my brief visit card, and have a successful week. Bye for now.